Hello, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. Today I'm gonna do a video walk around for 2014 Mini Cooper Paceman S model, means turbo, and my favorite 6-speed manual, guys. 6-speed manual. Now, let's talk about the car a little bit before I start bullshitting, okay? I'm gonna close this down. Now we're gonna look at the windshield. Windshield is original Mini Cooper windshield. You do have a big roof, all right. You do have nice, beautiful color. Vehicles already tinted. I like Pacemans. It's like a small, big Mini Cooper with 2 doors. 6-speed manual, guys. Comes only with 1 key. Beautiful interior. Vehicle does not smell like cigarettes, dogs, cats, alcohol, drugs. Okay, we got nice back seats. Has a nice beautiful headliner. Okay, now we're gonna look at the car from outside quick. Now this door panel is nice. It's a driver door panel. You have minor scuffs on the door here and minor rock chips. You can take a look. It's not even visible right here. The quarter panel is good. Tires about 50% all around. 205, 55, 17. Now we're gonna look at the hood. Hood has no dents. The headlights is nice. The grills are not cracked. The front grill also beautiful. Guys, don't forget it's an S model. Okay, the black wheels right here. You do have on this side of the fender. You have rock chips right here on the fender. Okay, and now we got this door. This door is good. We don't have any damages on this door. I don't see any damages. We're gonna look at the door from inside also, guys. From inside, that's where you're gonna actually sit when you're gonna drive the car. You have a nice interior. You have a nice seats. There's no cracks on the seats. There's no cracks on armrest. There's no cracks on the dashboard. There's no actually two like captain chairs with the 2 cup holders in the back, which I like it. Okay, it's more comfortable for the passengers. I guess whoever's gonna own the car, you're gonna have 4 people inside of the car. They're gonna sit pretty comfortable. Okay, quarter panel is nice. You do have a minor like, not even sure that is, minor little scratchy right there. You got nice tires right here. You got a beautiful bumper. We're gonna open up this trunk. I like this trunk because it has a lot of space. Okay, you have whatever comes with it, whatever the previous owner left. Some little lights. Let's see what it is. Okay, some of these lights right there for the bumper. We're gonna leave them here. That's for the car. Let's take a look. You have another compartment here to hide your things if you like. I'm gonna close this down. We're gonna look at the car from the bottom. The bottom looks beautiful. Okay, the bottom looks beautiful, guys. I'm gonna start the car right now. You can hear the car running. Okay, so take a look. You got both windows work. You got nice seats. Seat doesn't have any cracks. Your AC is super cold, guys. We know Mini Coopers. This is my expertise. I know Pacemans. I know you guys like them. I know you guys looking for them. They're a little bit different. Keep that in mind. Now you have all the stickers right here. Your quarter panel is nice. I don't see any damages on it. And also, please look at the Carfax, guys. Look at the Carfax. It's on the website alwayssold123.com. Now I'll be very quick with announcement. Now this vehicle is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration, guys, please, it's not included in price. Understand that. That's just like everywhere else. Now if you need to ship the car, shipping will be $1 to $1.25 per mile, and sometimes it's $1.50 per mile, guys. If it's 1,000 miles, it's minimum $1,200-1,300 for shipping these days, guys. Diesel prices went up. Drivers, not so many drivers around, so we're not gonna question those things. We'll just go with the flow just to get you the car. Take a look at the vehicle. You have no rust on the strut towers. You can see the strut towers. All the VIN numbers are there. All the stickers are here. Okay, the vehicle is very nice. If you look at the headlight stays firm. This tab is, I'm not sure what this tab is. It was about this tab. I don't know what that is. Why it's like that. Once again, this is your expansion tank. Okay, cooling tank. This is your turbo. This is your intake, guys. It's a typical Mini Cooper S. Typical Mini Cooper S engine, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to call us directly. My name is Mark from Always Soul 123. With the blessings, I'm here today Tomorrow is not guaranteed for me, but today, if you want to do business with me, I'm actually here for you guys, okay? God bless. Thank you so much.